This is the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. And welcome to the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Elimination Round as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the main event and game number 5 for our long weekend action. As we can see here, J.R. Bugarin of a former Pampanga Delta-born 2001 Cup champion, last Sinag Liga Asia, and the rest of the Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo as he will face off here. One Sasmuan and this is the main event of our long weekend ball action, our game at hand. Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo kontra One Sasmuan. Isang magandang hapon po, mga kabalen. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me, SLA Production Personnel, Direct Mike.
Magandang hapon, Pen. Okay, magandang hapon din, mga kabalen. Tungayan natin ang magandang laban na ito ng Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo kontra One Sasmuan.
And yes, as sabi mo nga na magabang muna ating mga kabalen, pwede nilang tutukan itong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 dito sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO. At syempre, meron din tayong YouTube channel at Pampanga PIO_PIO. At syempre, sa isa pang YouTube channel, ang Sinag Liga TV. But before that, tignan muna natin kung nasaan na ba itong dalawang team na to na maglalaban para sa ngayong araw.
Okay, nagkikita natin dito, Pen, no? So, Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. Nasa second spot siya at 6'2". At syempre, ang One Sasmuan, medyo nasa dulo siya ng team standings natin, 0-6.
So, hindi na natin ito patatagalan. Tingnan natin if One Sasmuan can get their first win of this tournament. And now, I'm turning you over to Ram Valid for our starters of the game.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Cup fans. We're coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is a Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by the coverage partners, Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live at Pampanga PIO, FB page and YouTube channel. This is our last game for today. The battles between Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo and your One Sasmuan. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. Point guard number 1, Tristan Balyao. Also at guard number 5, Stephen Olivares. Forward number 11, Casey Gopez. Also at forward number 26, Joseph Angeles. And center number 7, Paulo Apostol. Head coach for Guagua is Riniel Cabrera. Assistant coaches, Joselito Romero, Elmer Gonzalez, Erwin Paulo, and Eris Salonga. Your Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. Let's meet the starting lineup for your One Sasmuan. Point guard number 30, Aris Beltran. Shooting guard number 4, Mark Magzino. Small forward number 28, Jimwell Katakutan. Power forward number 8, Janelle Espiritu. And center number 5, Phil Tungol. Head coach for One Sasmuan is JC Cruz. Assistant coaches, Kevin Roncal, Jobet Manganti, Joey Razon, and Nathan Cruz. Your One Sasmuan. Our officials charged in action, Dennis Escaros, John Lisiges, and Andro Publico. This is your Governor, Dennis.
As we can see here, the starters for the municipality of Guagua, we have Valio, Olivares, Gopez, Angeles, and Apostol. At para sa panig ng One Sasmuan, we have Magsino, Beltran, Tungol, Espiritu, and Katakutan. Let's see here who will have the first possession for this ball game. Ball possession goes to the side of Guagua. As we can see here, Valiao. Valiao's trying to set a play. Passes it to Olivares. Olivares to Apostol. Almost a steal there. But he managed to keep it back to Olivares. Passes it. Pero dumulas yun doon.
Hindi masyadong anticipated nung number 26 ng Guagua yung bola. Hindi niya nakuha agad yung pasa na yun.
As here, almost a violation called here. Beltran passes it, but a steal for Guagua. Valiao passes it to Angeles. Angeles back to Valiao. Valiao to Apostol. Apostol to Gopez. Gopez to Olivares. Olivares for three. No good. But a foul called there. A pushing foul there for Joseph Angeles of Guagua.
Well, nakita natin kanina, no, maganda yung defense ng Guagua. Dinoble team agad nila yung nakakuha ng bola. So nakuha nila, kaya lang hindi sila nakapag-convert sa play na yan.
And para dito kasi talaga sa Sasmuan, depensa talaga direct Mike yung magpapanalo sa kanila dito eh. Kasi pang second sa bracket B, itong kalaban nilang Guagua at they are at the bottom seed nung bracket natin eh.
Well, ayan, nakita pa rin natin yung depensa ng Guagua doon. So hindi na-convert yung sa possible na shot from the paint.
We are still scoreless. 8 minutes and 23 seconds. As a shot there, no good for Guagua. But a turnover. And a pushing foul call again for Angeles, his second personal foul. Wala pa tayo sa 2 minutes of our ball game.
Medyo mali si Angeles doon, kitang-kita.
Beltran, a steal by Olivares, and a traveling violation for Olivares.
Okay, medyo hindi napaganda yung pag-dribble ni Olivares doon. So, yun. Nagkaroon siya ng
Olivares is pretty
traveling
high, tall for a player na mag-dribble ng ganun eh. Oh! And a first point for Sasmuan, care of Aris Beltran. Ang layo ng tira niya doon, Direct Mike.
Yes, pero at least naka-ready siya doon. Hindi naman siya nabantayan ng Guagua. Kaya nakascore siya ng 3 points natin.
And a miss there for Stephen Olivares. It's in and out. Sayang yon. But a steal there.
Okay, kudos tayo sa number 4 kasi dinoble team siya pero at least nakuha niya pa rin yung bola. Nilabanan niya yung umaagaw na 2 player ng Guagua.
That's Mark Magsino of Sasmuan. Gopez. Olivares rather passes it to Gopez, but no good. Nakuha dito ng Sasmuan. Beltran. But a put there for Angeles. Almost a shot there for Guagua. But then nakuha nito ni Katakutan. Is it but a steal for Valiao? What a defense showing by these two teams.
Oo nga, dinoble team talaga si Katakutan doon. Kaya at least wala, hindi niya na-pursue yung bola, so nakuha ng Guagua uli.
And here, a shot for Apostol, no good, but still, bola pa rin nila. Valiao, what does it going to do? And a substitution on the floor.
Hindi naka-proceed si Valiao kasi si Beltran tinakpan siya ni Beltran, so yan.
A great screen there for the side of Sasmuan. Back again here. It's good! For Casey Gopez.
Maganda yung confidence ni Gopez dun sa 3-point lang nagbantay sa kanya.
But a bawi doon. Neto ni Mark Magsino. And a putback there by JP Malyari.
Hindi gumana yung big man na si Tungol dun sa pag-try niya sa dun sa basket na yun. Kaya na-shoot ni Malyari.
JR Bugarin checks in, gives his first assist. No, Direct Mike, alam ko nakita mo tong si Bugarin maglaro during our 2001 Cup for Pampanga Delta. And quite a good point guard for Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Lepas lalo ngayon dito sa Delta Cup, nakikita ko si Bugarin, medyo mas malaki yung improvement niya, lalo na sa pagiging point guard dito sa
As we take a look at the replay.
Guagua. Yes.
An easy basket for JP Malyari. Once as one, a jumper is no good for them. But a miss there for the side of once as one. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Medyo mabilis ang facing ng laro natin dito. And seeing this, Direct Mike,
Yes.
10-man lineup lang na meron itong Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo versus the 15-man lineup of once as one.
Pero okay lang, no? So, last Friday naman, they won against Candaba last Friday. 7-6, 7-1 with Benedict Calma. 18 points, yun ang best player.
As we see here, Calma still not checks in for this ball game. Oh, he already checked in pala together with JR Bugarin. Bugarin! And after that, he points out, I believe, to his girlfriend who's watching and supporting him every game after the three-point shot.
Yun ang dapat, bantayan ng Sasmuan. Ito si Bugarin, huwag nilang papakawalan yan. Lalo na sa 3 points, meron siya niyan eh.
Look at that point out. 13-5, 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for our first quarter. As a timeout on the floor. Mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. As Direct Mike, as sabi nga ni Enzo, nag-confirm na daw na magjo-join ang ating defending champions na Pampanga Delta, born 2001 Cup, na magjo-join sila sa ating Junior World Showcase.
Kabang-abang yan, Pen, no? Nakita naman natin na medyo malakas ang team talaga ng Pampanga Delta.
As we go back here to the ball game, Kobe Banal, an easy basket there for him.
Maganda yung conversion doon din ni Banal, at saka kailangan din talaga ng one Sasmuan na medyo step up sila ngayon. 13-7 yan, di ba? Malaki yung lamang pa ng Guagua sa kanila.
Especially for the side of Guagua, kahit 10 man lang sila, but you have a guy like JR Bugarin. Bugarin plays like CJ Delfino, if I'm not mistaken. Tama, Direk?
Yes, mabilis. Pareho sila ni CJ Delfino. At least si CJ Delfino.
Sorry,
CJ Delfino
to cut
rin.
you off there. But another three-point shot, as we mentioned.
Okay, I was saying, di ba, CJ Delfino, katulad ni Bugarin, mabilis. At saka meron ding 3 points. At saka, at least ngayon, silang dalawa nakikita natin, nagiging playmaker na ng bawat teams nila dito sa Delta Cup.
Exactly, Direk. Let's turn over there as we take a look at this last play of Bugarin. No hesitation and a sure basket for JR Bugarin.
Okay, katulad nga sinabi ko kanina, wag nila kailangan one Sasmuan, bantayan nila si Bugarin. Alam naman nila na meron 3 points yan. So, yun ang medyo kulang sa depensa ng dito, ng one Sasmuan.
And yes, and tinitignan din naman natin talaga may mas advantage tong one Sasmuan kasi they have 15-man lineup Pag may napagod, onting pahinga. But etong Guagua, they have only 10. And 5 naglalaro sa loob. So, ilan lang yung pwede mong isub every time eh.
De, pero sa panonood natin ng Delta Cup, no, nakikita natin yung puso ng mga players nitong Guagua. So yun nga, yung last nila panalo sa 5 points, pero halos dumikit yung yung kandaba sa kanila. Pero napanalo pa rin nila yung laban.
Sa mga na-cover kong ang laro dito, Direct Mike, grabe, no? Lalamang ng isa, pero, lalamang ng madami. Tapos, but let's take a look at that replay first. A missed 3-point shot for Bugaring, but a putback there by one of his teammates. De La Fuente.
Yes, doon siya nakakuha ng foul.
18.
10-1 play pa yon.
Yes. And 18-7 and still in favor of Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Sayang yun. Niluwa pa yun for one Sasmuan.
Nakikita man natin yung confidence ng one Sasmuan dito. Okay nga, nakita mo yon, yung drive into the hoop. Kaya lang nga, hindi na naibus doon. Swerte na lang na foul.
It's still a lucky shot for Jean-Marie Vista. As first free throw is not good for Vista. 1 out of 2 for Jomar Vista. 18-8, 10 ang kalamangan ng Guagua dito. 18-9, it's 2 out of 2 for Vista.
So far, okay pa rin yung ginagawa ng one Sasmuan na ibaba nila yung kalamangan into just 1 point, single digit na points.
Yes, direct as a rebound there for one Sasmuan. Marukot to Vista. Vista passes it, almost misses it. Got a jump ball there.
So far, maganda naman yung mga effort ng one Sasmuan. Tingnan mo doon, tinry pa rin, kahit na sabihin mo ng payatin yung player na isa, pero pinilig niya pa rin agawin yung bola.
Because they know that ato talagang Guagua, not only a best defenders, but their offense is always at point. Having JR Bugarin, so tinapon na lang yun doon. Sinubukan pang habulin dito ni Bugs Bugarin. Here, Marukot passes it. Sorry, he drives for the ball. I thought he fakes a pass there, but he drives it.
Okay, maganda yung yung drive ni Marupokot doon kasi nandun yung defenders, yan ng Guagua.
Yes, take a look at the replay.
At least naikot niya pa rin yung bola para sumako ng 2 points.
A smart play and a bonus free throw, but that free throw is no good for him. 18-11, 1 minute and 27 seconds. Pito ang hinahabol dito from 10-point advantage. Bugarin, you see that move from JR Bugarin. There's a reason why he is a player for Pampanga Delta.
Yun, ang bilis nung takbo ni Bugarin doon kahit nasabi mo ng maraming defenders against him, pero naipasok pa rin niya yung bola.
Because that guy, Direct Mike, as you napanood mo yung ibang mga laro niyan ng Pampanga Delta, walang takot yan kahit gaano katangkad yung mga defenders niyan
Well, yun naman yung nakikita natin, di ba? Maganda yung mga programa talaga ni Gob Pineda para sa mga Pampanga Delta players.
Exactly right, Direct Mike. As we can see here, pushing foul for Paul Calling. Substitution on the floor. Bugarin passes it to Paulie. No good. And a putback there. What a jumper. A one-handed shot for JR Bugarin.
Yan pa rin yung nakakalimutan ng one Sasmuan. Kailangan bantayan nila si Bugarin kasi kaya naman yun mag-easy shot lalo na pag hindi mo siya binantayan.
A full confidence for JR Bugarin. Another three-point shot. It's still good for JR Bugarin.
Buti na lang, na-fake niya yung defense ni Marukot. So, napuntos pa rin para doon sa 3-point shot na yun.
25-11. There's a reason why kahit 10 lang ito. Let's take a look at our first quarter highlights here. A shot there for Aris Beltran, the first points of our quarter. And here, a 3-point shot there from the side of Guagua. And here, the drive of Marukot. See there, a beautiful first quarter. And here, the first 3-point shot of JR Bugarin. Tumurong siya doon sa kanyang bench. Another for him. It's his second 3-point shot of the quarter, which makes them have the lead of 14 points. 25-11. As we can see here, 25-11, a 14-point lead advantage at the end of the first quarter for Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo. A 10-man lineup for head coach Reniel Cabrera. But no worries, I have here JR Bugarin.
Okay, hintay lang natin yung yung pinaka hinanda ni Coach JC Cruz ng Sasmuan against Guagua para mahabol nila tong 14 points na to.
Tama.
In the quarter score yung first quarter scores natin.
Tama, direct. As here, another basket for Paula. And here, a possession. Beltran passes it to Marukot. Marukot backs to Magsino. Magsino, a 3-point shot there, no good. A rebound there for Marukot. But a steal there. Kobe Banal rather. Nakakadulang yung liwanag dito sa BREN Z. Direct. Here, Polly. A steal there for the side of Sasmuan. Nice pass there. But a line violation for the side of Sasmuan. Ball possession back to Guagua. 27-11. 16-point lead for Guagua.
Okay, sa pagabang ni Banal doon, no? So masyado na doon siya doon sa may linya, kaya nagkaroon ng violation there.
Tama yun, direct. And here, Polly drives. Traveling violation called against Josh Polly. I'm not quite sure if nababanggit ko ng tama itong apelido ni Josh Polly. Here, a 3-point shot for Mark Magsino, no good. But a putback there. And a steal for the guy, JR Bugarin. 3-point shot, no good that time. Marukot. What will Marukot do? Almost a basket there for Marukot, but no good. He draws the foul in there.
Well, nakikita pa rin natin yung mga depensa ng Guagua, no? 3-man yan against 1. Pero, yun nga, medyo na-foul nila itong si Marukot. Pero hindi man na-convert.
As we can see here. But still, it gives him a bonus free throw. One out of 2 is good for Vincent Marukot. One out of 2 for Vincent Marukot. A rebound there by Guagua. You see here. Guiao back for the second quarter. Out of bounds. Possession goes towards Sasmuan.
Kung may opportunity yung Guagua doon medyo mali yung pasa ni Guiao.
Kaya ito, Aris Beltran passes it to Marukot. Marukot, a 100 jumper for Vincent Marukot.
Gumaganda na yung confidence ni Marukot dito medyo nag-convert na siya sa lahat ng mga pasok niya sa loob
As I think na siya ang dapat, at ay, what a steal! Sasabihin ko pa lang ang isa sa mga maaasahan ni head coach JC Cruz, and a steal there for him and an easy basket. What a miss pass there for the side of Guagua. A nice pass there by Vincent Marukot, but a sorry miss for Mark Magsino. Guiao passes it to Gopes. No good. And here, passes it to Aris Beltran. Aris Beltran, an easy layup there.
Well, Pen, nakikita na natin, no? Tumataas na yung confidence ng Sasmuan. Kahit nasabihin mo na balikan yung nangyari doon sa bola, at least sila pa rin ang nakapag-convert ng 2 points doon.
Let's take a look at that replay, that steal from Vincent Marukot, and that layup by Aris Beltran, which makes them have the lead. Just siyam na lang ang hinahabol nila dito. 7 minutes left for our first quarter. 27-18. As we can see here, the beautiful and handsome faces inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Of course, I can see these girls at the back of the bench. Netong one Sasmuan, a support from there. And here, the girlfriend of J.R. Bugarin, I believe. Nakita ko sila kanina nang papasok sila dito sa BREN. Here. Lamang pa rin dito. Pero siyam na lang ang hinahabol dito ng one Sasmuan. Let's take a look here. What will Guagua do? They're being scoreless. But a call there. Nag-aas itong mga players inside for... Let's take a look of the replay of what happened. And then, there's a blocking foul for Kobe Banal, I believe. Here. Passes it. Guiao passes it to Benedict Calma.
Ganda ng pasahan doon. From Angeles going to Guiao, tapos doon sa libreng Benedict Calma for the easy 2 points.
And that easy 2 points, rewardan pa siya doon ng free throw, but no good. Okay, but a putback there for Joseph Angeles. And here, one is again for Benedict Calma. What a pass there for JP Malyari. 31-18, 6 minutes and 17 seconds remaining for our second quarter. So you can see here, Aris Beltran, no good for Beltran. And a basket put back there for Johan Magpayo. And here, Guiao passes it to No De La Fuente, but a traveling violation called against Joseph Angeles there.
Medyo nalito doon si Malyari, doon sa traveling doon.
Here, Magsino passes it to Marukot. Marukot against Guiao. And a three-point shot there for Aris Beltran. Ang layo nun, direct Mike.
Pero hindi siya contested So siya lang mag-isa dun sa 3-point area. At take the shot, sinuwerte siya, nakuha niya yung 3 points.
Walo na lang ang hinahabol ng one Sasmuan dito. But bawi ng 3 points doon ni Benedict Calma. A steal there. Valiao assisted to Casey Gomez. The selflessness of this guy.
Matindi yung pagbantay nitong Valiao at saka Gopes para sa easy 2 points na yun.
They needed it because wala dito si JR Bugarin, and a good mindset then for Valiao and Gopes.
Well, nakikita pa rin naman natin yung once sa Sasmuan, kahit nasabihin mo na maliliit sila, dinadaan nila sa bilis, nakukuha nila yung mga steal na yun. Pero yun nga lang, hindi converted, medyo na-foul.
Take a look on that replay, a steal for Valiao, and he passes it to Casey Gopez. First free throw is no good for Casey Gopez. Benedict Calma rather. Nakamukha kasi sila dito, same height. 0 out of 2 for Casey Gopez. And a rebound there for the side of Sasmuan. Balik sa 13 dito ang Kalamangan. Oh! But another 3-point shot there by Aris Beltran. That's his second 3-point shot of the ball game. Here, Calma for 3, in and out.
Well, nakita natin doon, yung confidence ni Beltran sa 3 points. Nakuha niya na yung range niya. Ito uli.
Another, but no good this time. A steal for Sasmuan. Beltran, what will he do? Malalaki kasi mga bantay niya doon Valiao passes it. Valiao now again passes it to Gopez. Gopez, what a move! But sorry, miss for him. Nasa dito for Sasmuan. And here, a putback. Aris Beltran, still no good. A rebound by Joseph Angeles.
Well, sayang yung effort ng mga kumuha ng bola dito sa kabila. Papunta, hindi na-convert ni Beltran yung effort na pag-agaw ng bola.
I believe because kasi direct masyadong madami yung bantay niya. As we take a look on the replay here, Aris Beltran, the 3-point shot, the second 3-point shot of the ball game. His confidence. Here, Bugarin checkbacks in for Guagua. Already 14 points for him for our first half with 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. 37-26. 11 pa din ang Kalamangan dito ng Guagua. A bounce for JR Bugarin, but he managed to keep it on his hand. Binato na lang niya doon kasi nakita niya na yung shot clock
Okay, in-stop yung play ng referee, no? So shot clock violation, dapat at least i-inbound yan.
But then, diniretso niya yun. What a steal there from Stephen Olivares. Grabe ang depensa na pinapakita dito ng Guagua.
Well, nakikita natin simula first quarter, no? Hanggang dito sa second quarter, ganun pa rin yung depensa ng Guagua. Nakikita man natin, parang hindi yata napapagod yung mga players.
Kahit nakikipagsabayan sa kanila itong Sasmuan. Pero if you're Sasmuan, you don't have to play the game face nitong Guagua. Kasi mapapagod ka, hindi ka sanay doon But then, let's see kung kaya nilang i-sustain ito for the remaining minutes nitong ating ball game. Here, as Kobe Banal passes it to Marukot. A sorry miss for Vincent Marukot.
Well, nakikita naman natin, no, nag-e-effort yung Sasmuan. Pero Guagua is still confident. Maganda yung mga plays nila, so malaki pa rin yung lamang nila against Sasmuan.
And yes, Derek, you mentioned nga, yung same lang din naman sila ng pinapakitang depensa dito. But then, the offense aggressiveness is netong Guagua is very much different. Lalo na, meron kang JR Bugarin inside the court.
Well, nakikita natin na mas sigurado yung mga shots ng Guagua against Sasmuan. May effort yung Sasmuan, nakukuha nila yung mga steals. Kaya lang nga, yung effort nila on offense, yun lang yung medyo nagkukulang dito sa laro natin.
That's, I'm for sure, meron na dyang plano si head coach JC Cruz, but still, it depends on his players. And a great defense there for the side of one Sasmuan. Alam mo, direct, when I was able to man the sidelines, and as we can see there, a jumper is good for Vincent Manukot, but going back to my experience as a courtside reporter, you know, one thing the coaches said, yung mga coaches na na-interview ko, sabi nila nga, maayos muna talaga na depensa kasi susunod naman na dun yung offense mo, magkakaroon ka na ng confidence in there pag may maayos kang depensa. As we take a look here, the replay and the jumper of Vincent Marukot.
Doon nagkakaroon ng butas sa depensa ng Guagua. Medyo nakakalimutan nilang bantayan nito si Marukot. Ilang beses na nakascore si Marukot. So yun, siguro yun yung isa na kailangan nila. So dagdagan yung depensa against Marukot para at least ma-stop yung mga shots niya.
Because if Guagua have this guy, JR Bugarin, etong one Sasmuan, meron silang Marukot wearing the same jersey number with JR Bugarin. And we can see here, JR Bugarin, 100 shot, in and out. Valiao, what will Valiao do? And a tap there for the side of one Sasmuan.
Well, yung sa pag-ikot ni Bugarin doon, gumana yung depensa ng one Sasmuan doon. So hindi na-convert yung shot.
Here, 53 seconds remaining. Bumaba na sa 6 ang kalamangan dito ng Guagua. As we take a look here, that great recovery for Vista. 53 seconds. 37 to 31. 6 na lang as we can see here. Kung nasaan ba itong Guagua, they are on the second spot dito sa ating bracket B. 6-2, 6 wins and 2 losses. Kapag nanalo sila dito, they will remain here sa kanilang second spot. And itong one Sasmuan, kapag nanalo naman sila dito, ay papantay sila dito sa Ing Malugud Candaba with 1 win and 6 losses. As we can see here for the side of Guagua, JR Bugarin and Gopes.
Well, nakikita natin doon sa team standings natin kanina. So, 0-6 yung Sasmuan. Pero nakikita man natin yung pride ng Kapampangan, pride ng Sasmuan, nilalaban pa rin nila. Kahit nasabihin mo na sila yung nasa dulo ng team standings bracket natin.
And yes, before that, Derek, we would like to greet first a happy birthday to Mayora Malu Aras Lacson, the municipal mayor of Magalang. And that greetings came from one Magalang basketball as we are back now here, our ball game. The side of one Sasmuan. Here, Marukot. Ang layo ng 3-point shot na yun. It's still no good. And a steal there for Valiao. Valiao passes it. And a miss there. Napalakas yun. Kaya hindi yun expect ni Paulo Apostol. Look at the face of head coach Reniel Cabrera. Parang sabi niya, makuha ka sa tingin.
Kanina yung pagpasok na sa timeout, ang ganda dapat ng drive ni Banal. Kaya lang minalas, hindi na naipasok.
We're still here at 37-31 with 23.7 seconds remaining. Here, the ball stays with one Sasmuan with 17 seconds. As a foul call there. Against Vincent Marukot. 16.4 seconds remaining. 37 to 31. The biggest lead of Guagua was 12 for this ball game. 14 rather. Kaya mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia, as the defending champions of our Sinag Liga Asia Born 2001 Cup already confirmed that they are going to join the Junior World Showcase together with the new team for Sinag Liga Asia, Camarines Norte.
Well, ngayon, Pen, nakikita natin, no? 6 points na lang ang lamang ng Guagua. So, yung depensa na tinuturo siguro ni Coach JC Cruz sa kanyang mga players, gumagana na. And they're converting kasi naibaba na nila yung lamang ng Guagua dito.
Alam mo, Direk, there's a reason why 0-6 is a standing netong one Sasmuan. Lahat ng talo nila, it's almost a close game eh. So it means they're not a bad team at all. It doesn't mean you're having a zero win standing as 6 losses. Doesn't mean that you're not a great team, as we can see there. A shot for JR Bugarin. Binato na lang yun doon for the side of one Sasmuan. 39 to 31. So you can see our second quarter highlight. That last shot for JR Bugarin. Libreng-libre dito si Bugs Bugarin of Pampanga Delta. Mga kabalen, 39-31 is our score. Wala na lamang po ang inahabol dito ng one Sasmuan. Mga kabalen, kapit lang po as magbabalik kami dito for the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. can see here, 39-31 is the score at the end of the first half, mga kabalan. Kayo po sa ating Delta Cup 2023-2024. Ito ang laban ng Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo kontra Sasmuan. As here, the halftime highlights, a 3-point shot there for the side of Sasmuan. And here, JR Bugarin, the very own player of Pampanga Delta. And here, another 3-point shot there. A 3-point shot there again for Benedict Calma. And a jumper there is good for the side of Sasmuan, care of Vincent Marukut. And here, the last shot of JR Bugarin before the end of the first half. Our leading scorers of the halftime here for the municipality of Guagua, of course, Bugs Bugarin with 19, Calma with 7, JP Malyari with 6, and for the side of Sasmuan, Beltran with 11, Marukut with 10, and Vizda with 4. I almost thought, Direct Mike, that Vincent Marukut already scored like 15 or 16, then still scored 11. And here on my record, 14 lang yung score dito ni JR Bugarin, but now he scores 19 points.
Okay, nakikita natin, Pen, no? From first quarter, na scores natin, going to halftime scores, 39-31. So, 8 points na lang yung lamang dito ng Guagua. From 14 points kanina na lamang nung first quarter. So, nakikita natin, slowly okay na ang ginagawa ng Sasmuan sa offense and defense nila.
As if there's a basket for Sasmuan, care of Phil Tungol. Philip Tungol has been quiet for this ball game. Kasi yung last game nila I was able to cover them, and Philip Tungol there was very aggressive. As I'm talking about aggressiveness, there you go, Aris Beltran, the go-to guy, and Vincent Marukut, of course, of Sasmuan for this ball game. A jumper, no good for Guagua.
Well, last 2 possessions, no, minamalas pa rin yung Guagua dito. So, pero ang Sasmuan na-convert agad nila. Ngayon, 4 points na lang ang lamang ng Guagua.
As after the 2 missed possessions for the side of Guagua, JR Bugarin checks in for Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Phil Tungol. What will Tungol do? He goes to Beltran. Beltran, a long 3 shot. And that shot is good for Alice Beltran. 39-38 from 14, the biggest lead of the ballgame. Now down to 1 point ang kalamangan dito as Valiao passes it to Tiapson. Tiapson back to Valiao. And an easy put back there for Tristan Valiao.
So ito na, nakakabalik na uli yung Guagua sa confidence nila. Ito, na nakascore ni sila with Valiao on that easy 2.
Riley Tungol then, no good. And here for Paulie, back to JR Bugarin. Bugarin passes it, nice pass. But a sorry miss for Joseph Angeles on that play. But it still draws a foul in there.
Nahirapan talaga pumasok si Angeles doon. Dalawa yung defender niya. So kahit pinilit niyang iikot pa rin yung bola, hindi pa rin naipasok. Pero at least nakakuha siya ng foul.
That's the best part on it Even though hindi mo naipasok yung basket na yun, still, you have a bonus free throw. 41-38 is our score here. As first free throw is good. At ito na naman po, ang tingin ni head coach Reniel Cabrera. Of course, is not pretty happy on how his guys perform from being up by 14 points. 2 out of 2 for Joseph Angeles. As here, Marukut. It's not Marukut, rather. Beltran, Aris Beltran, shots a 3 again, but no good this time. And another foul there for Joseph Angeles against Riley Tungol.
Well, at least nakatulong si Tungol doon, no, para sa easy 2 ni Angeles. Well, talagang makikita natin, napakalaki ni Angeles na madaling easy 2 points, lalo na pag nasa ilalim na siya.
And ginagamit niya na dito yung height advantage niya against his guards that time.
Yes, medyo halos karamihan ng one Sasmuan, maliliit lang pero mabibilis naman sila. So, yun. Yun ang ginagamit nilang advantage against sa mga matatangkad na Guagua players.
As 2 out of 2 for Joseph Angeles in there. A jumper for Marukut, no good. But a put back there by Tungol. Hindi na pumapasok ang mga 3-point shots nitong one Sasmuan. As a miss there for Mark Magsino. Almost a easy layup there, but a steal for Aris Beltran. Tungol passes it to Marukut. What will Marukut do? And he drives in there, but still no good for Vincent Marukut.
Well, nakita natin doon, no? Nabigla tayo, ang liliit ng mga players na Sasmuan na nasa ilalim pero nakukuha nila yung mga agaw against Guagua. Kaya lang nga, medyo na offensive foul doon yung pag-drive.
It's one thing na dapat din ingatan nito ng one Sasmuan Balik sa 7, ang kalamangan netong Guagua, 45-38, 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. As another shot there for Joseph Angeles.
Well, katulad ng sinabi ko nga kanina, no? Si Angeles nasa ilalim. Malakas siya for the easy 2. Yun yung medyo malaking power ni Angeles, lalo na pagka hindi mo siya dinepensahan.
As a foul there. Again, Beltran for Apostol.
Well, gumagana pa rin yung depensa dito ng ano. Ayun, nakita natin from Balyao to Angeles. Easy 2, hindi na contest.
As here, an inbound for one Sasmuan. Marukut is trying to fake a 3-point shot there. Here, Magsino to Marukut. Marukut to Magsino again. Sino passes it to Beltran. Almost a miss there for Beltran. But the jumper is no good. And a putback there by Phil. Tungol has been quiet for the past quarters. Pero itong third quarter natin.
Well, maganda yung pagkakapwesto ni Tungol doon, no? Waiting for that grab para may shot niya, madali niyang maipasok. Yung easy 2 points doon.
It's almost an easy 2 points there. Sana for JP Malyari. And here, Aris Beltran! Nice drive there by Aris Beltran. Baba ulit sa 5 ang kalamangan itong Guagua. 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining.
Ang ganda ng drive ni Beltran doon, no? Naunahan niya yung defender, umangat. Kaya naka-easy 2 points siya doon.
But then, let's take a look at that replay of the move of Beltran. He knew that it will go in. And here, a free throw for Josh Pauly.
Ito nga lang ingatan ng Sasmuan. Yung mga foul troubles. Pero okay lang, nahinto naman nilang easy 2 nito eh.
But then they're quite lucky kasi hindi naman masyado gaano kataas ngayon ang free throw percentage nitong Guagua. But there, a rebound for Marukut. Marukut against the 3 defenders. No good. But a ball bounce out still in the favor of one Sasmuan. Beltran, what will Beltran do? Passes it from behind. And it's Jonel Espiritu.
Medyo gumana yung dalawang big man ng Sasmuan, Espiritu at saka itong si Tungol for easy 2.
When you have Beltran inside the court, he can play point guard, he can play anything. He's also a Mr. Everything here for one Sasmuan. Here, Bugarin. Bugarin fakes it. No good, but he draws a foul in there. Yung pagiging veterano dito ni Bugs, ginagamit niya na eh. he knew na kailangan niyang kumayod dito for Guagua. As we can see here at the last replay, tumama doon nung kamay ni Espiritu kay Bugarin.
Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? So, medyo ingatan dapat ni Espiritu yung mga foul troubles niya kasi pangalawa na yon, ha? Starting pa lang tayo ng, ng third quarter. So, mahirap naman na maubusan ng big man ang Sasmuan, lalo na nakakatulong sila sa opensa.
As we can see here, first free throw is good for JR Bugarin. Expected na yon. 2 out of 2 for Bugs Bugarin as his supportive girlfriend is watching here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. An 3-point shot for Jonel Espiritu, and it's good for him. 47-49, dalawa na lang dito ang kalamangan ng Guagua. What will Calma do? Passes it to Bugarin. Bugarin backs to Calma. Calma, almost a miss there. And here, Josh Pauly, no good. But a putback there, almost a putback there for Calma. But a block there for Juan Sasmuan. And here, Marukot passes it. And there's a foul.
Ang ganda nung nangyari doon, yung ginawa ng Sasmuan sa depensa. Gumana yung depensa nila, nakuha yung bola, hindi nga lang na-convert.
A foul there.
Pero at least, merong...
Let's take a look on that replay. Beltran. But there it is. And the ball possession back for Juan Sasmuan. 3 minutes and 51 seconds. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan dito ng Guagua. Marukot. There's a whistle there. Pushing foul on Benedict Calma. Direct Mike, one thing din na kailangan ditong ingatan ng Guagua is yung mag-foul na mag-foul eh. Kasi, of course, if there's a mag-penalty, tapos nandito na tayo sa mga important minutes nung papunta tayo sa fourth quarter, it will be a big vast for the side of Juan Sasmuan.
Lalo na yung player na si Bugarin, mag-ingat sa foul, lalo na si Benedict Calma. Kasi, di ba, nakakatulong sila sa puntos, opensa, malakas yung opensa nilang dalawa. So, yun. Ingat dapat foul troubles, yung dalawang yun.
Tama yun. As here, Bugarin to Pauly. Pauly! And it's 3 points for Josh Pauly.
Pangalawang subok ni Pauly yun para sa tres. Converted na yung pangalawa.
Exactly right. And yung tibay din ng loob niya yun. Of course, yung una hindi pumasok. But this time, he makes sure that it's a basket counted. Ayun ang malayong 3-point shot ni Marukot, but no good. Here, Bugarin. A no-look pass. What a pass there for the side of Guagua. And a good basket there for Benedict Calma.
Ang ganda nung pagtira ni Calma doon. Naiwasan niya yung dalawang defender para makashoot.
Last direct kanina, I mentioned to you kung ano ba talaga yung pronunciation dito sa apelido ni Pauly. It's Paule pala. Good thing na may nagsabi na sa akin. As we take a look in here, a substitution for the side of Juan Sasmuan. Jimwell Katakutan checks in for the first time.
Okay, pinalitan ni Jimwell si Espiritu, no, 'di ba? Naka 2 fouls na 'yon. So at least pahinga na muna, makakatulong siya mamaya.
At the very important final quarter of the ball game as 1 out of 2 for JR Bugarin. Two out of 2 for JR Bugarin. If you have this kind of guy inside the court, it's very, as I said it, pinahinga muna siya dito ni head coach Reniel Cabrera, and Valiao checks in for him.
Maganda yung pinapakita ni head coach Reniel Cabrera dito. Pinahinga si Bugarin, pasok si Balyao, pareho nilang mabilis na mga point guards na alam natin makakatulong sa depensa at saka siyempre paggawa ng opensa na magandang plays at 'di ba makascore sila.
And here, as Jomari Vista at the free throw line, 1 out of 2 for Vista. Eight-point advantage for the side of Guagua. 1 out of 2 for Jomari Vista in there. In a violation. Ball possession goes to the side of Guagua. So we can see here Balyao. Balyao passes it to Calma. Calma gives it. And almost a miss there, but Benedict Calma is there to put back the ball at their hands. Here. What a shot there, but no good. For Noel de la Fuente. As a steal there for Vincent Marocot. A beautiful move there by Vincent Marocot. 56-50. Anim ang hinahabol dito ng Sasmuan. 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining. Calma. What will Calma do? And a block there by Phil Tungul. Marocot.
Well, Pen, nakikita natin, no? Gumaganda yung depensa ng Sasmuan. Naiinto nila yung mga opensa ng Guagua. And then, Marocot kanina, nag-convert siya dun sa steal na yun.
But then a miss for them. Yung sayang yung steal nila, hindi na na-convert into a point.
Okay
Here,
lang.
another turnover for the side of Guagua. Here. As a foul call there for De La Fuente.
Well, slowly but surely, okay naman yung pinapakita ng Sasmuan, no? Down lang sila by 6 points against Guagua, pero nakikita pa rin natin yung resiliency ng Guagua dito. Still scoring, kahit nasabi mo na napakatindi ng depensa ng Sasmuan.
Exactly, direct. Almost a miss there for Jomari Vista. Luckily, he gets in. May ritual pa siyang ginagawa before he makes a shot. And that ritual works. It's 2 out of 2 for Jomari Vista. 56-52 baba sa apat ang kalamangan ng Guagua. You know one thing, Direct Mike, that I've noticed, every time that J.R. Bugarin gets out of the ball game, nag-iiba yung gameplay yung game face netong Guagua Vincent Marocot drives in a beautiful drive. Easy basket for Vincent Marocot.
Well, makita naman natin talaga yung experience talaga ni Bugarin. Lalo na sa mga plays. Offense plays, defensive plays, di ba? Mabilis siya So, kaya niyang umagaw, kaya niya rin pumuntos, kaya niya rin pumasa para makapuntos ang kasama niya sa court.
I do believe that it came, this defensive and best offensive plays came from the very own good coach and the best governor, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, di ba? It's very lucky to be part of the Pampanga Delta champions of the Born 2001 Cup. As no time there for the side of Guagua. 58-54 from having the 14-point lead advantage. As we take a look here, third quarter highlights, a 3-point shot there for Beltran. What a shot there. And here, this pass and this drive by Balyao. What a nice drive there by Balyao. And here, the very nice trick shot of Sasmuan, and there, the assist of Bugarin to Joshua Paule. And that underneath drive or put back there for De La Fuente as we are going to the fourth with 58-54.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we are still live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga, as we approach here our 58 to 54.
Okay, Pen, nakikita natin dito na from first quarter, 14 points ang lamang ng Guagua. Second half, nahinto yan into, nababaan yan into 8. Ngayon, Sasmuan, ginawa na lang 4 pagpasok natin sa fourth quarter. 58 to 54.
Anong direct napansin ko nung nahabol sila, yun yung time na nilabas si Bugarin and Valiao checks in. But here, for the first quarter, Bugarin and Valiao is now back for the side of Guagua.
Okay, slowly but surely, eto na, lumalabas na yung mga plays at saka yung nabibigay na mga magagandang plays ni Coach JC Cruz sa players niya from Sasmuan.
Yan nga yung sinasabi mo sa akin kanina, Direk Mike, na for sure, merong game plan etong si Coach JV Cruz para sa ginagawang play dito ng Sasmuan. Ay, rather, ng Guagua. But a steal there for Guagua. But a miss pass for Gopes, rather.
Well, nakikita natin, no, medyo yung communication between players hindi masyadong maganda, kaya hindi niya nakuha yung bola noon, nabigla siya na pinasaan siya.
I think pressure is still on the side of Guagua even though they are up right now by 6 points. As we take a look at this beautiful pass by J.R. Bugarin to J.P. Maliari.
Well, siguro nararamdaman na rin ng mga players ng Guagua yung depensa ng Sasmuan. So that's why medyo nalilito sila, nawawala ng kumpiyansa.
Yes, as I mentioned, di ba sa'yo direct kanina, sabi nga sa akin kasi ni Enzo, majority na cover niya yung laro neto ng Sasmuan. Yung mga losses kasi netong Sasmuan, it's not just a loss talaga it's a close fight between sa opponent nila. So there's a reason bakit 0-6 ang standing netong Sasmuan But it's lahat ng laro nila, a good fight, a good ball game
Well, makikita natin yan dito. Dito na sa fourth quarter, dito na malalaman kung nai-execute ba ng mabuti ng mga players ni head coach JC Cruz ang mga binigay niyang plays. Lalo na ngayon, crucial minutes na ito ng ating laro.
As the three-point shot is no good for Jomari Vista. Ball possession goes to the side of Guagua. 60-54. 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Lamang pa din dito ng 6 ang Guagua. Valiao against Magsino. Valiao. What will Valiao do? He passes it. A nice defense at the side of Sasmuan. A good defense for the side of Sasmuan.
Well, nakita natin si Magsino doon, no? Talagang binantayan niya mabuti si Valiao. Hindi makapasok si Valiao, hindi makatry for an easy 2 points. Talagang binantayan niya hanggang sa dulo.
Hanggang mag-run out yung shot clock netong Guagua, no? 7 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Tiapson passes it to Magpayo. Beltran. What will Beltran do? Beltran passes it to Kobe. To Mark Magsino, rather. And a rebound there by Bugarin. Grabe mag-rebound tong si Bugs.
Sayang yung tira ng Japson doon, no? Pero nadepensahan siya na mabuti ng Guagua doon.
Here, Bugarin. A steal for JR. Bugarin. And a layup there. Nice move there. Almost a good putback for Voltaire Tiapson. And a blocking foul they're called on Casey Gopez.
Tinry ni Gopez habulin si Tiapson pero natawagan siya ng foul doon.
As that first free throw is not good for Tiapson. One out of two for Tiapson. Guiao. Guiao passes it. And that's good for Paulo Apostol. Beltran struggling with the defenders of Guagua. Three-point shot there for Mark Magsino, no good. Guiao to Bugarin. Bugarin. Nice try and nice defense for the side of Sasmuan.
Okay, nakita natin doon, no, si Apostol going for the basket. Medyo bumuka yung depensa ng two defenders from Sasmuan. Kaya naka-easy to.
Ball possession stays on the side of Sasmuan. Magsina passes it to Beltran.
Ang ganda nung pasa ni Magsino doon kay Beltran.
Marukot rather, sorry.
Oo.
Nalilito na ako sa kanila dito. Si Marukot pala yung pinasahan niya doon, direct mic.
Galing sa over sa two defenders ng Guagua.
The very
Or
best
Nisi two.
two defenders. Guagua. Gopez. Gopez. But a traveling violation called on Casey Gopez there. First, direct gusto kong batiin ang good friend natin from Cebu na nakasuporta sa iyo si Super Barili, Zaymar Bainos. Shoutout mo naman daw siya.
GP!
And here, we'll go back to the ball game. Binato na lang doon. Almost a shot there. But a basket counted for the side of Sasmuan.
Ang layo ng tres na yun, pero halos pumasok. Pero nakuha pa rin nila at na-convert nila yung shot.
Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol dito. Nice pass there. And a good easy basket there for Guiao.
Yun ang iingatan dito ng
Nice
Sasmuan, yung mga mabibilis na pasahan ng Guagua dito. Converted ni Guiao yun. Without any defender.
That's one thing If you have Bugs Bugarin outside the three-point shot, the three-point line, you have Guiao for the layups as we take a look at that pass of Paulo Apostol to Guiao. An easy drive for him and an easy basket for Tristan Guiao. As first free throw is good for Mark Magsino with 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining.
Yun dapat ang ingatan ng Sasmuan dito. Kasi pag si Bugarin, mabilis na point guard, tapos nandito rin si Guiao na mabilis din na shooting guard. So pareho sila, easy 3 points, easy 2 points. Iiwanan lang yung mga big man ng Sasmuan.
Here, Guiao to Gopez, Gopez to Bugarin. Tatlo lang ang hinahabol dito. Guiao misses it. Beltran is there against the two defenders. No good. Tatlo kontra sa isang player ng Sasmuan.
Sayang yung effort ni Beltran doon, pero na-convert naman into nasa kanila pa rin yung bola.
A good try there, But still, the ball possession ay sa Sasmuan pa rin. Marukot to Philip Tungol. That jumper is no good for Tungol. And a foul there on Voltaire Tiapson. It sends It sends Paulo Apostol to the free throw line. 3 minutes and 57 seconds if you're one Sasmuan. You don't want to try it for... You not want to give this Guagua a time for them to shot in the free throw line.
Yan, nakita natin doon, Pen, kanina, no? Number 25 ng Sasmuan, si Josh Paule, natawagan ng ANSPO. Unsportsmanlike foul.
As here, Vallejo to Bugarin. Bugarin tries to communicate with his teammate. What a nice move there by Bugarin, but a sorry miss for him. And a foul there for JP Maliari. Let's take a look at the replay here for the foul to JP Maliari. 3 minutes and 36 seconds. 5 ang inahabol dito ng one Sasmuan. 3 minutes and 36. 66 to 61. As we are now back here at the fourth and final quarter of this ball game. 3 minutes and 36 seconds. 66 to 61. As we can see here, Vincent Marukut, one of the heroes here for one Sasmuan. Always a go-to guy of head coach JC Cruz. But an inbound there.
Medyo nagdo-double up na sa pagdepensa rin si Marukot, ha. Pero natapat niya lang palabas yung bola.
And here, an inbound for the side. And here, a three-point shot for Bugs Bugarin! This guy has been spectacular, not only on this Delta Cup, but alam ko sa lahat ng nilalaroan nitong liga. Always a trusted guy, always a go-to guy kung sino man ang magiging coach nito.
Yun dapat ang bigyan ng depensa ng Sasmuan dito. Lalo na 3 minutes and 13 seconds na lang tayo into the fourth quarter. Nagsisimula na uling uminit si Bugarin sa 3 points. Dapat mabantayan siya mabuti doon.
The first free throw is good for Beltran. But there is another violation for the side of Guagua. A technical foul called on head coach Reniel Cabrera. He's trying there na makipag-contest sa ating mga referee doon sa foul ni JR Bugarin.
Okay, so yun, nabigyan ng technical foul si coach dahil kasi sa sa pag-angal sa mga nagiging tawag ng mga referees natin. Pero still, nai-explain naman ang mabubuti ng ating referee sa kanya.
Of course, yung mga referee natin is a FIBA certified, FIBA World Cup certified referees galing sa samahang basketball ng Pilipinas. As free throws is good for Aris Beltran, 69 to 62, 63 rather. Pito. 6 pala ang inahabol dito ng one Sasmuan with 3 minutes. But there's Tristan Cabrera. Tristan Vallejo rather. Pero mo nagre-reklamo. Itong Juan Sasmuan na naging tawag dito. Bugarin to Guiao. Almost a shot there for Tristan Guiao.
Well, ang ganda nung pagpasok ni Tristan Guiao doon. Pumasok siya sa loob pero hindi nga lang na-convert. Pero at least merong foul.
As we take a look at the replay, Guiao, it was contested there. Oh, that was not the last shot. It was his shot earlier. Mas John, nagmadali siya doon kahit siya nainis siya sa tira niya ngayon eh. As we can see here, head coach Reniel Cabrera. 1 out of 2 for Tristan Guiao. Here, let's take a look. Line violation for Aris Beltran. No, rather, a pushing foul called on Guiao, defending Aris Beltran there. You know, if you're Guiao, you don't want to foul Aris Beltran, sends him into the free throw line because the shooting percentage of this guy has been amazing for this ball game.
Pero kudos pa rin kay Guiao, no? Kahit nasabi mo na nakakuha siya ng foul doon. Kailangan mo talagang i-intuin si Beltran kasi pag pinakawalan mo yan, kaya niya umiscore agad.
Tamang-tama yun. Direct Mike. And here, 1 out of 2 for Aris Beltran. But a foul there on Aris Beltran. As Aris Beltran is now out of the playing court. He already committed 5 fouls for this ball game. Medyo hindi maganda ang pag-exit doon ni Aris Beltran, especially now na naghahabol kayo for the last 2 minutes and 24 seconds.
Yan yung sinasabi ko, no? So yun dapat ang iningatan ng mga Sasmuan, lalo na yung mga players nila na alam mo naman na nagko-convert. Especially Beltran na nakakatulong sa kanila sa pag-opensa. Mabilis ang takbuhan, easy 2 points, easy 3 points.
As you can see there, 2 out of 2 for Bugarin. But that is no good for Juan Sasmuan. 64-74, balik sa 10 ang kalamangan netong Guagua.
Well, hintayin natin kung sino mag-step up dito sa Sasmuan. Alam naman natin si Marukot na nakaka-easy 2 points, 3 points. Pero tignan natin kung sino pa yung mag-step up sa kanila para punan yung nawala na pwesto ni Beltran.
And you know, good thing din ito sa side netong Guagua. After ng technical foul na natawag sa kanilang head coach, si Coach Reniel Cabrera, hindi nagbago yung laro nila. Of course, mas gusto nilang patunayan, mas gusto nilang iangat yung pride nila na tama yung nireklamo nito ni Coach Reniel Cabrera A 74-66, balik sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Guagua. 1 minute and 46. Time out on the floor, 74-66. As we can see here, J.R. Bugarin at 2001. You see here first his highlights already 28 points for this ball game. What a nice spin there for J.R. Bugarin. Another one, his 3-point shot. His nice fake there for J.R. Bugarin. Another 3-point shot there. Ang layo ng mga 3-point na tira nito ni J.R. Bugarin. Kaya walang duda that he is one of the champions for the last born 2001 Cup under Pampanga Delta.
Well, Yun ang kailangan na bantayan ngayon ng Sasmuan. Bugarin, nandiyan pa siya sa floor. He can convert in easy 2, easy 3 points. Kaya ka rin niyang agawan ng bola. Lalo na wala na si Beltran for Sasmuan. So, medyo malaki yung magiging factor ng pagdepensa nila against Bugarin.
And one thing din dito kay JR Bugarin, alam niya that his team needs him. Hindi siya na-fouled out dito. Sobrang ingat nito at sobrang galing talaga dumepensa nito eh. An assist there, but no good for Paule.
Well, yung pasa ni Bugarin doon, hindi lang na-convert ni Paule. Umover lang naman. Malakas lang yung tira niya.
But still a good pass for Bugs Bugarin. One thing about this guy Bugarin yung tiwala niya sa teammates niya. As what mentioned there, a nice pass there for the side of Guagua. 1 minute and 14 seconds. 74-66. Walo pa din ang kalamangan dito ng Guagua. But still you can see Bugarin. Diyan nagagalit siya doon kay Kalman, no?
Well, all throughout the game, nakikita man natin, yan. Dumiretso yung Sasmuan. Hinarap sila ni Balyao, nakuha yung bola, pinasa, na-shoot, converted. Yun ang iingatan din nila dahil alam naman, nandyan si Balyao, nandyan si Bugarin.
One thing about this one Sasmuan, kung naghahabol ka, di ba? You don't want to commit a foul. Even, lalo na dito sa mga last minutes because you already know that you're both on penalty. 1 out of 2 there for the side of one Sasmuan. As walang bantay doon si Paule, pinasa na yun doon. And then the easy 2 points there for Casey Gopez.
Nakikita pa rin natin, Pen, yung kumpiyansa pa rin talaga ng Guagua. Easy 2 points doon. Diba, yung pasahan si Gopez. Lalo na, walang defender.
But an offensive foul there called on Jomari Vista. You can see here, Valyao, 45 seconds, 78-67. Sila pa rin ang lamang dito. As Valyao misses it, ball possession goes to the side of one Sasmuan.
Ganda ng drive ni Marukot doon na iwasan niya yung defender, going for the easy 2.
Mahaba-haba pa tong 20 seconds left. Kung gusto talaga tong makuha ng one Sasmuan, they have to put here their best defensive plays.
Mahirapan sila kasi Bugarin ng Balyao. Medyo mabibilis na defenders, magaling mag-dribble ng bola, naiiwanan niya yung mga sa offense.
And there you have it. 78-69 after the technical foul called on head coach Reniel Cabrera. His team redeems him for this ball game. 78-69. Nananatili pa rin ang Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo on their second spot. At nandun pa rin on the bottom seed of the bracket B. Etong one Sasmuan. A good ball game. Lumikit lang ng onte as we can see here. 78-69 for the Municipality of Guagua and 69 for the side of one Sasmuan. At ngayon kasama ko na nga ang ating Delta Cup Best Player of the Game here on my side, a former Pampanga Delta player for Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. JR Bugarin Bugs, 28 points. 19 points doon as nasa first half mo. Pero pag nilalabas ka ni coach, nakakahabol kayo. Pero pag binabalik ka, you put there your best defensive and your best offensive plays. Ano ba ang motivation mo for this ball game?
Motivation ko is yung, siyempre, una, yung sarili ko. Kasi di ko naman magagawa yun kung wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo. At second is God and family ko.
Kanina, Bugs, nung nakaka 3 points ka, tumuturo-turo ka dun Nakikita ko dun, may tinuturo ka dun. At pinakita din yan sa highlight mo is one of your supporters. At ngayon, bibigyan kita ng pagkakataon para batiin lahat ng family, friends, at lahat ng sumusuporta para sa Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay God dahil sa kanya, nakuha namin yung panalo ng mga teammates ko. At walang nasaktan sa amin. Natapos na maayos yung game namin. And nagpapasalamat din ako kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda sa paliganyang to at sa mayor namin, kay Vice Gov Nani pala, sa mayor namin sa Guagua, si Mayor Tonton Torres, si Vice Jun Lim at saka yung mga konsyal doon. At yung team Guagua, mga coaching staff, si Coach Ren Cabrera, o si Lito Romero, si Coach Elmer Gonzalez at Coach Erwin Palo, and si Boss Eris Salonga na mapagmahal sa Luidat. Pwede pa yung pamilya ko. And yung Dabsu family din pala kay Coach Rexa, sa mga teammate ko sa Dabsu, kay Pari EJ, sa Dabsu community, and sa pamilya ko sa San Roque, Guagua, Pampanga, yung mama ko, lola ko, at yung kuya ko, and yung papa ko, at saka yung business niya sa Apong Marias Restaurant. And sa mga teammates ko din pala, kundi dahil sa kanila, di namin makukuha to. And yung family ng girlfriend ko, at yun, nanonood. Shoutout sa'yo, sa PS Espiritu at sa mama niya, si Tita Marcel, Tito Robert, at yung mga kapatid niya. And yung mga taga sa amin, yung mga kaibigan ko kasama, Team Jin, yung Manalo, Canlas, Liwanag Family, Talavera, yun. Tsaka yung mga kaibigan ko sa school, si Eric Galura, Popoy Santiago, mga MCD yan, si Vince Paredes, Kirby Gomez, Karen Regala, ang dami, Jarus Paule, sina... Yung isa, nakalimutan ko na, ang dami. Ayun lang, thank you.
Once again, Bugs, congratulations
Thank
to
you.
you. At sa Guagua Tulong Tulong tayo dahil dyan, you're still on the second spot on the bracket BS here. 78 again to 69 for the side of Municipality of Guagua. They win here with the help of Bugs Bugarin with 28 points. Once again, tune in for our FB page at Pampanga PIO for the updated schedule of the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. Once again, on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago and Direk Mike Nana, Direk Billy De Leon, this is Penelope De Guzman, and I'm saying goodbye and see you next week.